If you want to speed up Excel working, then don't miss these shortcuts. Especially the last one will blow your mind. Let me show you how. Let's discuss how can we adjust row height. So in this example, I have a couple of rows which I want to adjust their height because some rows are different height to the other rows. So one method is select the first row, select all the rows, and then just double click on the first row and it will adjust the row height uniform. It will adjust the row height accordingly. Press Ctrl Z to go back. So for example, if you have thousand of rows, you're not gonna do this manually. So what I will do first, I will place the cursor in the first row and press Shift space. It will select the first row and then press Ctrl Shift down arrow. It will select all the rows in my data and then I will press shortcut Alt H O H and small window will appear so I can mention the size of the row height. If I want 15, press enter. It will make the row height 15 for all the rows which were selected. So this is how you can adjust the row height. Moving to the next one. Next one is column width. How can I adjust my column width? So I have few columns which has the different widths. So first method is select the column from the top, all those columns, and then again the first column, just double click when this plus sign appear and it will adjust the width of all the columns. Control Z to go back. And the second method is again place the cursor in the first column and then press Control space. It will select all the columns because one of the cell is merge cell. If this cell weren't merge cell, then it will only select the first column. So all the columns have been selected. Now press the shortcut key is Alt H O W. Again, a small window will appear and I can input the column width which I want. For example, if I want 10, press enter. So it will change the column width to 10. All the column width is 10 now, so which is the uniform. And this is how you can adjust the column width. Now, the bonus tip, which I promised at the start of the video. What I want, for example, if I want, when I type the text in the column width adjusts itself. I don't need to adjust manually. For example, these two word educational content, it's going beyond the width of the column, but column is not adjusted accordingly. So if I want to adjust it automatically, for example, if I type any word like word wide tourism, so if I want to column to adjust its width itself, I will right click on the worksheet and then press view code. And here on the top, you can see there's worksheet and general option. Select the worksheet. And then here in between, type cells dot entire column. This option, press tab, and then dot AutoFit. Select this one, press tab. So this is the code you need to type and then close this window and this big window. And now whatever word you type, for example, word or company, press enter. The column will adjust its width itself. You can see now the initially this word to our company was going beyond the width of the column, but now the column adjusted itself because I entered the code in the view code. So this is how the column adjusts the width itself. Let's try another word. For example, Excel learning. You can see it's going beyond the width of the column. When I press enter, the column will adjust itself. Press enter, you can see the column has been adjusted according to these two words. So these were the shortcuts for row height, column width. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.